In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your Shopify header. This is a simple way to make your store look more professional and visually appealing. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Next, click Customize to open the theme editor. Once you're inside the theme editor, look for Theme Settings, usually located at the bottom left side, and click on it. Now select the logo section. Inside the logo settings, click Select Image. You can now upload a new image from your computer or choose one that's already in your Shopify files. After selecting your image, click Done. Next, adjust the desktop logo width setting to resize the image so it fits nicely inside your store header. Take a moment to preview how the logo looks on your website and make any adjustments if needed. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top right corner. Now refresh your Shopify store and you'll see your new image displayed in the header. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your Shopify header. Thanks for watching and happy selling.